In a bowl, combine the thinly sliced chicken with soy sauce, minced garlic, minced ginger, and sesame oil. Allow the chicken to marinate for at least 15-20 minutes or up to overnight in the refrigerator for more flavor. Heat olive oil or avocado oil in a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat. Add the marinated chicken to the skillet and cook until browned and cooked through, about 5-7 minutes. Once the chicken is cooked, remove it from the skillet and set aside. In the same skillet, add sliced bell pepper, broccoli florets, and sliced mushrooms. Cook for 3-4 minutes or until the vegetables are tender crisp. Return the cooked chicken to the skillet with the vegetables. Stir everything together and cook for an additional 1-2 minutes to heat through. Season the stir-fry with salt and pepper to taste. Adjust seasoning and soy sauce if needed. Serve the Keto Asian Chicken Stir-Fry hot, garnished with sliced green onions and sesame seeds if desired. Enjoy! This recipe is versatile, and you can customize it by adding other low-carb vegetables like cauliflower, cabbage, or spinach. It's a quick and easy meal that's packed with flavor and perfect for anyone following a keto diet or looking for a healthy Asian-inspired dish.